Pull out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull down. Pull out. Ano yung letter? Letter K. Sige. Next letter. Letter L. Small letter L. Sige. Kung nakapag na yung small letter L, pull down. Simple as that. Ako no, sa akin na 1, 2, 3, go. Pull down. Pull down. Small letter L. Iba ko no? So, pull down. Bata ko na saan? Pull down. Okay. Sunod letter M kita. Hindi man sunod na bagay na letter M. Hindi na process. Pull down. Sunod na lang ako. Sige. Buhin kita yan. Sige. Pull down. Up. Over. Pull down. Up. Over. Tapos down na naman. Ano ba? Ano ba video?